Welcome to today's deep dive into the most surprising, unbelievable, and mind-bending facts from science. From distant galaxies, to the mysteries of our own planet, to the bizarre secrets inside the human body. These are 50 science facts you want to believe are real, but absolutely are. Welcome to What If They Lied, where truth hides behind whispers, and stories come alive in the dark. Every episode takes you deep into the real, the lost, and the almost forgotten. So, sit back and listen closely, because sometimes the truth is into what they told you. It's what they never wanted you to find. Let's begin. Section 1. Space Facts 1. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on every beach on Earth. We live in just one galaxy with over 100 billion stars, and there are trillions of galaxies more. 2. A teaspoon of a neutron star would weigh around 6 billion tons. That's the mass of a mountain in a spoon. 3. Space is completely silent because there's no air. Sound waves have nothing to travel through. 4. On Venus, a single day is longer than a full year. It rotates so slowly that one rotation takes more time than one orbit around the sun. 5. There are planets completely covered in diamonds. These carbon-rich worlds form crystals under extreme pressure, making them glittering diamond spheres. 6. The universe is expanding, and every second, it expands faster than before. Scientists still don't know what's causing this strange acceleration. 7. Saturn could float in water. It's the only planet less dense than water, meaning it would technically float like an icy balloon. 8. There is a giant cloud in space containing enough alcohol to make 400 trillion pints of beer. This massive cloud sits 10,000 light years away. 9. Trillions of neutrinos pass through your body every single second. They travel through everything, even planets like ghosts. 10. If you fell into a black hole, it would stretch you into a shape scientists call spaghetti. Gravity acts so unevenly, it pulls you apart like a noodle. Section 2. Earth. Facts 11. Earth hums at a steady frequency of 7.83 Hz. You can't hear it, but instruments detect it constantly. 12. Your body contains enough iron to forge a small nail. Iron is essential for blood, but it also makes you slightly magnetic. 13. A bolt of lightning is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. It can reach temperatures of 30,000 degrees Celsius. 14. The Amazon rainforest produces around 20% of Earth's oxygen. It's often called the lungs of the planet. 15. Earth's core is as hot as the surface of the sun, about 500 degrees Celsius. But we've never drilled anywhere close to reaching it. 16. Every year, the moon moves nearly 4 centimeters farther away from Earth. As a result, our days are actually getting longer, but very slowly. 17. Without the moon, days on Earth would last only 6 hours. The moon stabilizes Earth's rotation, keeping life stable. 18. Mount Everest grows about 4 millimeters taller each year. This happens because the tectonic plates are still colliding. 19. Antarctica is the driest, windiest, and coldest place on Earth. In some areas, it hasn't rained or snowed in over 2 million years. Welcome, bike explorers of science. Let's continue our journey through the incredible wonders of our world, from number 18 onward. 18. Did you know Mount Everest, the roof of the world, actually grows taller each year? Tectonic forces push it higher by about 4 millimeters annually, a gentle reminder that the Earth itself is alive and moving beneath our feet. 19. Far to the south lies a land of extremes. Antarctica, the driest, windiest, and coldest place on Earth. Some areas haven't seen rain or snow in over 2 million years. A frozen desert at the edge of the world. 20. And beneath all that ice, over 90% of Earth's freshwater is trapped, hidden in Antarctica as immense ice sheets, a silent reservoir of life for our planet. 21. Turning from the Earth to ourselves. Consider that your brain generates enough electricity to power a small light bulb. Every thought, every spark of creativity is powered by this invisible energy. 22. Fascinatingly, humans actually glow in the dark, producing a faint light from biochemical reactions in our bodies. Far too dim for the naked eye to see. Being Tetris, and here's a mind-bending truth. We share 50% of our DNA with bananas. Science never ceases to remind us how connected life really is. 24. Your stomach, meanwhile, produces acid so strong it can dissolve a razor blade. Truly, the human body is a chemical marvel. 25. Every 28 days, your outer skin is completely replaced. A silent cycle of renewal. You rarely notice. 26. And only humans have the unique ability to blush, a biological signal tied to emotion. Visible and utterly human. 27. Don't underestimate your bones. Ounce for ounce, they are 5 times stronger than steel. 28. Your heart beats around 100,000 times a day, tirelessly pumping life through every cell. 29. Your nose can detect over 1 trillion different scents, capturing the subtle symphony of the world around you. 30. And astonishingly, your body is home to more bacterial cells than human cells, a reminder that life exists within us as much as we inhabit it. 31. Moving beyond humans. Nature offers wonders beyond imagination. Meet the immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis, Dorni, capable of reverting to its juvenile form, effectively cheating death indefinitely. 32. The octopus, another marvel, has 3 hearts and blue blood, thriving in alien underwater worlds. 33. Some snails can sleep for 3 years at a time, a testament to life's patience. 34. And a group of flamingos, they are called a flamboyants, fitting for such elegantly pink dancers of the water. 35. Elephants, gentle giants, can recognize themselves in mirrors, showing a rare sign of self. 36. Butterflies don't smell with their noses. They taste with their feet, touching the world to savor it. 37. Cows, too, have emotions. They form best friendships and feel stress when separated. You've been listening to What If They Lied? If the story moved you, share it. Let it breathe again. Subscribe for more untold histories, more real voices from the shadows. And remember, in every rumor, there's always a trace of truth. Until next time, keep questioning, keep listening.